Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I thought I'd do an update video for you guys. It's been a little bit and I've done some work on the 67, a couple of things on my Fox body here, and then I thought about maybe I'll talk about doing future videos and stuff, so stick around and let's see what's got done. Okay, as you remember, I got the engine from Blueprint, but I now have it sitting in the car. It's on a set of Prothane mounts on top of because these cars use a two-piece mount deal. The bottom mount section is just factory 67 V8 mounts. Everything fits in there real nice. I got a set of headers for it. These are 67, 68, I think specific. These are Scott Drake mid tubes, I guess you'd call them. They're a little longer than a shorty, but they're not a full long tube. These are ceramic coated. I've spent a little extra on that so they wouldn't rust and stuff. They'll look real good. So those turned out pretty nice. Everything clears good. I got some more parts coming to button up the motor. Hopefully we can get it running here pretty soon. And then I've got the transmission. This is just a fully rebuilt T5 Tremec World Class. This is a Z spec out of a 95 Cobra, so it's got some of the better things in it, I guess. But I've got to get the bell housing, and I got a clutch kit coming and everything for it. Still got to get a shifter and everything, but the hard part was just getting a nice rebuilt T5. Got the clutch cable adapter coming for this because these cars use all linkage on almost everything. Throttle and clutch was all linkage rods, versus everything kind of more modern uses a cable. And that's pretty much all there is to know on the 67 right now. It's been going kind of slow. It takes a while to get this stuff ordered. A lot of stuff is back ordered or out of stock and gotta wait for it, or just finding the stuff. So it's coming along. Hopefully we'll get her fired up here in the next few weeks or so. And then on my car, everything's good on it. Nothing's really changed under the hood. I did get the blow-off valve welded in. Let's see. I bought a brand new carpet for the car just to kind of make it nicer on the inside, more street. New drip little plastic cover rails, I forgot what they're called. New door foam seal. Mine was completely shredded. So everything's really nice on that now. And then the big thing was the brakes. Absolutely sucked on this car. I mean, you could not stop hardly at all. So I got the, I don't know how well you'll be able to see, but this is the Maxim Motorsports pedal box kit. Like, you take the original pedal arm and everything and you change it, the geometry of it, to give you more mechanical push, therefore pushing more brake fluid, and that really made a huge difference. It actually stops pretty halfway decent now, so I'm glad I did that. That was a really nice kit. Other than that, I've got an engine diaper coming for this, just per rules for if I want to race or whatever. Other than that, everything's good on it. I took it to a little car show the other day. It was kind of a special event. I was invited. It was a little race car show, which is kind of strange. So, or a car show for race cars. So yeah, that's what's been up. Not much has changed, so I thought I'd talk about maybe future videos. Alright guys, I thought I'd talk about future videos, this channel and shit like that. As you can tell, I've got my Farmer Fred hat. Mandatory to wear it like this. There we go. So, as you know, the channel's I've been kind of slowing down. Nothing I can really do about that. I'm just waiting on shit. I'm a one-man show here, so I know that gets a little boring, and I think the videos are getting a little stagnant, so I thought about maybe switching things up. Being from the Midwest, you know, we like our firearms here. I'm big into firearms and stuff, not to get into the politicalness of it, but I thought about maybe doing some gun videos and stuff. If you guys maybe want to see something like that, some range, some shooting and stuff like that, product reviews, let me know in the comments, or give her a thumbs up on this video. You know, I'm still gonna always do the speed shed stuff. Like I said, it's just lots of hiccups in the road, you know, between the COVID and stuff breaking and plans changing and stuff like that. So yeah, I thought I'd just maybe mix stuff up, or just videotape anything that I come across I think is cool. So if you guys want to see just some variety stuff, let me know, and we'll maybe do that. So thanks for watching, and peace.